beautiful day starts with a beautiful smile. Thank you all for loving the Queen of Fashion channel. Friends, welcome to the Queen of Fashion. Today we bring the Karvachauth Special Bangles where you can customize by adding a picture. It comes with a total of 18 bangles and later we show you Chain and Bali combo with gold plated and then the Kundan Tikka with earrings and more combo sets to come. We hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video. For any queries or communication you can visit our Facebook page The Queen of Fashion. The link is also provided in the description. Thank you and see you soon.